Well, there's definitely a sense in which the purpose we discover in life is the purpose we create for our lives. And even if we are atheist and we don't believe in the Christian, the Judaic, or the Islamic God or any other mythological figures, even if we think we are purely, you know, physiochemical systems without any soul or essence outside of this body, um, we still have a meaning to our lives, which is just that we are biochemical systems, um, and all of our emotions, our feelings, our wants and desires, our goals, our wishes, our hopes, our ideas, all of these things are still meaningful. Um, and, I think to deny the inherent meaningfulness of your body, your purely physical body, would probably drive you insane if you really truly did not find meaning in it. Um, so I think there is an inherent meaning. Even biologists talk about the teleonomy of an organism, which, if you have two organisms, two human bodies next to each other, one alive and one dead, and the one that is dead, let's say it died 10 minutes ago, what's the difference between the two? Physically, structurally, they're identical, or at least, they're not the same person, but they're as identical as two separate bodies could be, same species and whatnot. But the one is alive and the other is not. So the biochemical reactions, the autocatalytic reactions occurring in the living body, have a certain organization, a certain ongoing organization that the other dead body does not. And I would say that this ongoing organization is purposeful. It is goal directed, and it seeks balance and health for the body of which it is a part and of which it composes. Um, and so, even on a very biological level, we can't talk about the biochemical processes going on without referring to some type of purposeful, goal-oriented behavior. I don't think that's exactly the kind of purpose you were asking about. You're talking more in an existential sense, maybe, or a spiritual sense. What is the purpose of human existence? And everybody thinks a lot about this question, and maybe it seems a little too idealistic, but I think it's love, really. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what the most powerful aspect of any of our lives is. It's love, whether we're afraid of it or, drawn toward it. That sense of underlying unity between all beings is what I would think of as the purpose of life. To be with one another. It's as simple as that. Um, but there's certainly a sense in which each of our purposes, are diverse, and we all discover and create our own. But what do you think the purpose of life is? Be curious to know. Thanks for your question.